YouTube.
What are we doing today, Ryan?
Unboxing.
We're unboxing? Awesome. Look at that. A Franklin Sports Superstar Batter 2-in-1 T-ball combo. All right, let's get busy.
I don't open this up.
Well,
I want to take off the table with you.
you want to take off the tape? Okay, here's the tape.
Okay.
Right up here. Take that off. Awesome. Now pull out that lid. This lid. The black one. Pull it out. Awesome. Now pull this white one up all the way. The whole thing. Up. Awesome. So let's just see what's inside the box. We have a 24-inch collapsible bat. Come sit down here, buddy. Make sure the camera can see you. And then we have an automatic ball feeding system, which is kind of cool. Ryan's pulling out the parts. Can you show the camera what we have? Here's one. Yep, there's a ball. Here's the tee. It's adjustable. Awesome. What else you got in there? This thing is called the it's the ball feeding system. Oh, all right, there's the base. Very cool. Let's take a look at it. So it has the main button that engages it. It has the MLB logo. Yep, now let's fold these up. Does it come with instructions? It sure does. It comes with instructions. 1, 2, fold it up. Okay, that's fine. All right, can you face the camera, please?
Okay.
Don't give the back to your camera. Come sit here. Yep, there you go. All right, so that's all set up. Very good. Now what's next? We put this guy on. You put the ball feeder on.
What the ball's on it?
Oh, is that what you do next? Here, one rolls over there. Can you go get it, please?
Put it on the wall. On account to see me. Hi.
Hi. All right, put it back in here. Don't forget to always face the camera. And there's one more ball behind you. Grab it. Put it in there. Okay, so there's a couple of different things we can do. Here's your bat. Show them how it collapses and expands. Nice. Why do you think it collapses? To save space, maybe?
Same space.
Save space. Awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Can you ask them to subscribe?
Subscribe.
Yeah, hit that big red button.
Hit the button.
Yeah.
If you like with me.
Exactly. Okay. So let's see what this thing does. We push it in. This is the auto feeding system, and Ryan's going to go ahead and click one of these bases.
I'm here to do it.
Boom. Awesome. Let's try that again. Come back here.
Down.
Well, we need the camera to see us.
Why?
We're going to have a full, you're going to try this all out for the camera in a minute. We're just unboxing.
I'll do it for me.
Okay, so there's that. Here's the tee. Get back here, mister. The tee, it looks like you gotta put this on first. Pretty simple installation. Insert and twist, and this gets inserted and twists as well. And you have your adjustable tee. So, let's see what you got, Mr. Ryan.
Camera, I'll show you what I got.
Which side do you have to stand on? Nice!
I almost hit the camera.
You did almost hit the camera. Try it again.
1, 2.
Hold on. Hold the bat right. Remember? How do you hold the bat? This one goes, yep, and it sits on your shoulder. Good, 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 good. Perfect. And you go stand next to it. Step back a bit. You're too close. There you go. Perfect. Let's see what you got. Yeah, you did hit the camera. Awesome. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Look at the camera. Look right there. And tell everyone thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Bye.
How old are you?
Hey, you.